What's up, family? Now, I was sitting here thinking, if I could own three stocks, what would they be, right? And these are stocks that I could hold forever, pass down to my kids, so that they can hold them as well, right? Companies that's going to be around the next 30, 40 years, it's going to be intermingled in everything, right? Now, the first stock that I would pick would be SMH, right? Because you gotta think about it. When you go get SMH, you got the Internet of Things, and then you got AI. Check it out. Top 10 holdings, right? You got NVIDIA. And then right up under NVIDIA, you got Broadcom. And then right under AMD, you got ASML, right? Those three companies alone, with semiconductor and AMD trying to, get a little market share. If with not AMD, but ASML, Broadcom, NVIDIA, those three companies, you could hold those and forget about it. Because now you got the Internet of Things, you got the chips, and then you got the picks and shovels. You see what I'm saying? You got everything, right? So that's why I say SMH. You should be holding this, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all about SMH at 180 some bucks. But what you do is, we went and traded a little bit. Market came down. We went and bought USAR, right? We traded it, took profits. Now we're going and getting back in SMH, SPLG, right? Because we want to maintain, and grow. We don't just want to just go up and down, up and down, up and down. We want to continually go up, right? So the next stock would be SPLG, right? And let me show you why. SPLG is going to grow simply because of what it holds. Now, this is the mini SPY, right? So if you can't afford $660 some, you go buy SPLG, right, for $78, because it has the same thing. Let's look at the top 10. You go look at SPLG and VOO. They're kind of similar, They're kind of similar too. VOO is a good one too. If you want to put SPLG, you can go get SPLG, VOO, or the SPY. One of those three, but just one, right? Now this has NVIDIA. It got Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Broadcom, AVGO, Meta, Alphabet, Google, Tesla, Berkshire Hathaway. All the companies that you want to hold, right, is working for you in this fund. And then on top of it, it's going to pay you about 23 cents per share per quarter, right? And then NVIDIA, you want to hold something like this because it's going to continually go up and make you money, right? Or you want to hold something like Microsoft, or you want to hold something like Tesla, or you want to hold something like Netflix, something like that that's going to run up for you, right, and give you some growth. But that's my picks. If I could pick three stocks, that's what they would be. Because you got growth, then you got dividends, and then you can compound those dividends. You see, compounding all in one. So those are the three: SMH, SPLG, and NVIDIA. I'm never coming out of those. Those are going to be forever holds. And then when I go over and look at my son's portfolio, he has the SPY, which is the S&P 500. And I'm probably going to add SMH. I'm thinking about taking away the SPY and going into SPLG, right? And then adding SMH, right? with half of that spot money and just going into SPLG. That's what I'm thinking about doing. But we'll see. We'll see. And then in this portfolio, I'm to start this MooMoo with y'all. We got our little $50 in here, y'all. We up 270% still on the SoFi. But we got $50 to go play with now. So we can go and buy, what I just say, SMH. You know, or you can go and buy some risky stuff. You can buy some space, some Redwire, Rocket Labs, or something. Intuitive machines. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. Or you can go get Palantir, Firm, stuff like that in here. You know, it just depends on what you're trying to do. Or you can go and trade with this money. You know what I'm saying? It's up to you, family. But what I would suggest you to do is to have different pockets of money where you invest in, right? So whenever need be and you need to liquidate something, you have different accounts that you could choose from. Like, I don't want to mess with this account. Let me go mess with this one. You know what I'm saying? And then, like my little daughter's account and the Weebull, y'all just, you know, you gotta be on it, family. She got BTCI, SPYI, she got gold and SPLG. You know what I'm saying? She got one of those three. You know what I'm saying? And if I wanted to, I could maybe take away one of the BTCIs or SPYI and I can put SMH in there somewhere. Because gold is pushing. I'm going to keep that gold. But BTCI, SPY, those are just like income. We want to have one of those at least. But, you know, we want them to be working for us. So we got two right now. But SMH will grow more, right? This is more income, you know, / growth. A little bit of growth with SPLG. But if I had SMH, something like that, it would really boost it. And if I put like, you know, a runner in there, one of the ones I'll be talking about, you know, you can supercharge your portfolio. But I'm going to be building portfolios for people. So y'all get at me. Let's get this done, family. Love y'all. Peace.